back to another vlog. So today we are on our way to like 2 events. So I just have like 2 appointments for today. One is for Beauty MNL and one is for the clue that I was telling you guys about the past few vlogs. Yung V na yun, because you know I've always had the problem with my double chin. And Oracle, what's the name? Oracle Clinic ba yun? They offered to let me try out one of their services. So later we'll find out kung ano yung magagawa or if it works, diba? Para yun. I also brought with me my lunch from Delicious Diet PH since I'll be having lunch on the go today. Ayan. If you haven't tried out Uber yet, don't forget to use my code UberSateYoko to get your first ride for free up to 200 pesos. So it's still valid if you haven't tried it out yet. Yun, for first-time users lang siya. I'll have the code in the information box. We are now here at Oracle Beauty Clinic here in Makati. I'll have their address in the information box. So sobrang bongga ng clinic nila, guys. Look at that. At ang laki-laki. Franchise siya from Korea, and yeah, it's called Oracle. Ayan ang itsura. So beautiful. Okay. We have consultation rooms over here, and my favorite talaga is this one, which is their powder room. Super bongga ng powder room nila. Look at that. Powder and locker room. Ganda ba? Sobrang ganda. You have time to do your makeup and stuff like that. Pwede ka mag-OOTD. By the way, this top is from an online shop. I'll put the link in the information box. Ang ganda. And kompleto lahat. Kompleto lahat ng mga parang mga kailangan mo dyan. Moisturizer, hand soap, cotton, whatever. It's all complete. Okay. So today we are going to do the Ultra V-shape procedure for my chin. If you are a long-time viewer of mine, guys, you would know that I've had this problem with my double chin forever. As in forever talaga. Kahit anong workout or ano, hindi siya matanggal. So this one. We're gonna see if it's gonna work with Oracle Clinic. And I'm so excited. Very calm and serene ng aura dito. We have the lockers over here. We even have a sofa. Ayan. Ayan. I have my bag. And this is handle wraps. I'll have the link in the information box wherein I got them from. Oh my bag, Philippines. Ayan. Tapos here are some of their products. Oh, you can... Ang galing. Actually, if you're a client, you can use their products. Ang galing naman. Super bongga. Here's a closer look on the dress, guys. And it's very flowy. So I'm done with the derma or doctor consultation. Now I am removing makeup on the lower part of my face. Kailangan tanggalin din ang hikaw at ang necklace. We're entering the photo room first para may before and after. Hi, what's your name?
Dominic.
Dominic, hi. Ayan, may white wall. We are entering the V-shaped room. So clean and it's air-conditioned. Kalurks! Totoo to. True! Ito medyo may bump dito. Makikita niya. Yan ang, ito, right side, guys. Oh, I love it. One session. On to the next event, guys, or the next treatment, which will be at the fort. It's gonna be in a separate video, so just watch out for that. It'll be up very soon. I'm gonna have lunch right now. Buti dala ko yung delicious IPH ko. Finally home, guys. Grabe, I was supposed to go to the post office to get a package, but it's already like 5, so hindi na ako aabot. What I'm gonna do is rest for a while. I just want to watch a movie and relax, have my snack from Delicious Diet PH, and then later siguro may isa pa akong i-edit. I already filmed an Ask Say video for everyone, so that will be up next week. Tapos ano pa ba? Yeah, so just basically buong araw treatment day, and I'm so happy with my chin. Mas medyo nag-V siya ng konti. And I cannot wait for the second and the third session. 3 sessions siya. 3 sessions siya. All in all, just to like improve the, you know, this one. Para matanggal na siya. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna rest muna, guys. Pagod me. Pero buti umokay na yung pakiramdam ko. I've been reading your guys' comments about dengue. Na paggabi lang daw nagkakasakit, nakakalurk. Sana hindi naman. Sana. It's time for dinner, guys. I'm gonna have something from Delicious Diet PH. This is the grilled chicken with pumpkin cream sauce. Yummy. I got a package from Dentist, guys. And if you're familiar with this brand, bongga siya. Kasi parang if you use it, kinabukasan, wala kang bad breath. Nighttime Herbapeutic toothpaste. I've tried it before. And basically, ito yung event na dapat pinuntahan ko nung isang araw. But I wasn't able to. Yeah, so, bongga. Perfect for Valentine's Day kasi, diba? Yun yung highlight nila. Parang pag gising mo sa umaga, if you have a partner, whatever. Yun. Romantic morning kiss. Here are more products from them, guys. Asin ng TV, tapos itong mouthwash. And then, we have floss. Tapos yung isang toothpaste nandoon sa sink. Sige, ginamit ko na kanina. So, yeah, I'll do a blog post on this. Bongga. The secret for a romantic morning kiss. So, I'm ending the vlog now, guys. I have to edit and then rest. And tomorrow, I actually have one more event, but I'm not sure if I'll be going because it's a Friday. And it will be in Makati ba or Fort? I think, yeah, Makati, Salon Beauvoir, but, ay, tignan ko na lang, kasi pag Friday, nakakaloka ang traffic, and I don't want to spend another $1,000 for Uber, nakakaloka. So, that's it, guys. Tinanggal ko lang aking makeup, and then later, mag-cleanse na ako, and then maglalagay ako ng mask. So, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! By the way, guys, my makeup workshops are back, and this coming Feb 28, I'll be having my a basic makeup workshop at Go Hotels Otis Manila. I'll have the poster right over here. If you want to sign up, just text me, and then I'll book you. So it's only $2,500, only 15 slots available. I hope you guys join.